Hey, what's up, guys? Today you're going to learn how to create these designs in Midjourney yourself. The first thing you need to do is head over to Midjourney. Simply go to midjourney.com. If you're not already on Discord, download it from discord.com, sign up, and then log into Discord with Midjourney. All you need to do is you need to send messages to the Midjourney bot. See all of these images that I've been generating? So, the first thing you want to do is get set up. So, if you press the right / and then settings / and S and settings, you can choose your model, stylize level, and more. Type the message, and this is how it works. It's all done through messaging. I've got used the latest model 5.2. I always use the latest model. So stylize high or low is how, like fancy and cartoony, or make things stylized. Low will go for more realistic things. I've got remix mode on, which gives me an option when I generate a new image to tweak things, to add and remove things. You don't need remix mode on. I would just keep this simple. Follow along, get an image generated. High variation and low variation mode. The differences between those is how different are the 4 images going to be, or is it going to be 4 images quite close together? I've got it on low. You can have it on high, it really doesn't matter. I do purchase credits. I think I pay about $12 a month. I've never run out of credits. So anyway, those are the settings. You press / and settings to get there. When you're set up, now we're gonna actually start adding some prompts. So let's just start simple. We're going to type / I am, and you'll see imagine at the bottom of the screen. We hit enter, and now it says prompt. You can get as descriptive or as basic as you like with this. You're always going to get something amazing. It's really incredible. But what we're really looking for here is we want an image, basically with a nice foreground and a background. We'll start quite simple. But one thing that's really important to remember is there's a code for what aspect ratio you want the images to come out. So, they're going to come out square by default, but we're going to make landscape in my example. But you can also make them vertical for reels. So let me show you how that's done. I want to make something colorful and exciting. We go back to our Midjourney chatbot and start creating our designs. There are thousands of different styles. I recommend you to try different ones or search for prompts on the web. I will give you some tips in this video to make the best design for you or your clients. Now we will create a spectacular image so that you understand the concepts. Let's write in the chat. Bright sunny day, beautiful cloudy sky, sunset sports car racing down cyberpunk Miami city streets, epic action camera, and these are the styles we will give you. Masterpiece, photorealistic, best quality, detailed skin, intricate, HDR, cinematic lighting, sharp focus, R, 16.9. We are now waiting for the image to be generated. About 60 seconds is the time it takes for the tool to generate the image. We wait for them to load, and voila, we have 4 spectacular pictures with the best details. So, now to download this image, we've got 2 options here. We've got U3 and V3. U3 means upscale 3. It doesn't actually make the image any better than 1080p, but what it does is give you the full quality image. Now, if we click web and then visit site, it's going to take you to a site where you can actually download the image. We hit this little save button here, save with prompt, and you can see this has just downloaded. Now, we open this up and boom, there's your image. You can also go to the home on this site and you can see all the images that you've previously downloaded. You can see I've done tons here. So these are all my images. And if you need inspiration, you can go to Explore and have a look at these images. Even better, if you go to Copy, you can copy the prompt. And now if you go back into Discord, you can just paste, and it'll show you the prompt. So you can right-click an image and take the prompt straight from other images that you find. And then finally, you've got this V3. So if I click V3 here, usually V3 will just remix it and give you some other options. But because I have got the remix mode on, I can add and remove things and do a bit of custom code. They're more advanced prompts. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about advanced prompts. All right, so here we go. You can see that I've got multiple variations of that same image by clicking V3. We choose the one we like the most and download it. And that's it, that's all. Like and share if you want more videos.